arriving from the depths of space, crossing vast distances to bend time, and perhaps the waves within your mind. GL Productions Studio presents.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have a special show for you tonight. Do you folks daydream? To tell you the truth, I daydream a lot. I daydream about things that I don't normally get to do. Come along with me, and I'll show you what I mean.
Hey, look at me! I'm a pilot, and I'm flying a... Hey, what is this thing anyway? Here we go!
What did I say? Special show, right? Let's give a warm welcome to my twin. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. What brings you here tonight? Your daydreams, of course. Okay then, let's do it. Come along with me and I'll show you what I mean. That's all for now. See you next time for another episode